Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to divide a decimal numbers by a decimal numbers. Let's look at some examples. We have 0.12 divided by 0.2. So we have 0.12 divided by 0.2. So before you do anything, you have to make your divisor a whole numbers. So you move it from left to right times 10. Move this one from left to right times 10. So you have 2 divided by 0, 1.2. So 2 divided by 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. You subtract. So you have 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 divided by 1 cannot bring down 2. 2 into 12 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. So when you subtract it, you have 0. So therefore, your answer is 0.6. Let's look at another examples. We have 1.452 divided by 0.6. So you have 1.452 divided by 0.6. So you have to make your divisor a whole numbers. So you move it from left to right and multiply it by 10. So you move this one left to right, multiply it by 10. So you have 6. You have 6 divided by 14.52. So you put your point. So 6 into 14 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So you now subtract. You have 2. 6 into 2 cannot, you bring down 5. 6 into 5 is 4. 4 times 6 is 24. So when you must subtract it, you have 1. 6 into 1 cannot, you bring down 2. 6 into 12 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So when you subtract it, you have 0. So therefore, your answer is 2.42. Let's look at another example. So you have 1.152 divided by 1.92. So you have 1.152, 1.92. So first of all, you need to multiply it. You need to make your divisor a whole numbers by multiplying it by 10 from left to right. So you have multiply by 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 10, multiply by 10. So you have 192 115.2. So 192 divided by 115 is 0. 0 times 192 is 0. When you subtract it, you have 115. 192 divided by 115 cannot bring down your 2. 192 divided by 1152 is 6. 6 times is 1152. So when you subtract it, you have 0. So your final answer is 0.6. Let's look at an example. You have 0.295 divided by 0.59. 0.295, 0.59. So first of all, you need to make your divisor a whole numbers. So you multiply it by 10 from left to right. So you have times 10 times 10. Move this one times 10 times 10. So you have 029.5 divided by 59. Put your point. 59 divided by 29 is 0. 0 times 59 is 0. So you subtract. You have 29. 59 divided by 29 cannot bring down your 5. 59 divided by 295 is 5. 5 times 59 is 295. So when you subtract it, you have 0. So your answer is 0.5. Let's look at these examples. You have 0.24 divided by 0.3. 0.24 by 0.3. So first of all, you need to make your divisor a whole number. So you move from left to right by multiply by 10. Remove it, multiply by 10. So you have 3.4. So 3 divided by 2 is 0. Put your point. 0 times 3 is 0. Minus. So you bring down 2. 3 into 2 cannot bring down your 4. 3 into 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, you have 0. So therefore your answer is 0.8. Thank you for watching.